Once we exclude or fix the principals which don't support AES, we should enable AES support for all other principals in the domain, including domain users, service accounts, workstations, member servers, and domain controllers. First, we need to enable AES support in domain trusts from both sides for two-way trust configurations without disabling RC4 before we make any changes for the other principals. By default, the trust is configured for RC4 support only. Enabling AES support in the GUI will disable RC4, so we need to use case setup tool. On a parent domain DC, we configure encryption type support for the child domain, and on a child domain DC, we configure the parent domain. We can verify the configuration in Audit or Active Directory users and computers. Now we can enable it for other principals in the domain, using group policy, Edit, or PowerShell. We can enable it through group policy for computers, as well as in Active Directory users and computers, and also for the users. A tick mark in the checkbox "The account supports Kerberos AES256 bit encryption" enables only AES256. We can use PowerShell to target a single account, a container, an OU, or a domain. Once AES has been enabled for all the accounts that support it, the account should start using it immediately, unless there is a problem. We can confirm this by searching for any remaining non-AES256 ticket request in DC security logs, or by searching for non-AES256 tickets in the computer's Kerberos cache. Kerberos encryption types are listed here. We can use the hexadecimal code to identify any non-AES256 ticket request. Here we see two ticket request events. AES256 was used in one and RC4 in the other. We can also use getKerbTicks PowerShell script to inspect the cache tickets on the hosts.